Hello friends, amla for vitamin C. So I will share with you how vitamin C can be achieved from the diet, especially from the amla, as it's a very good, or I will say it's a rich source of vitamin C. So vitamin C provides immunity and it fights against the infection, and moreover it provides a resistance to the body. So amla must be consumed as it's easily available in the season, and it's very cheap and it's very economical. No one can complain that amla cannot be purchased, as the cost factor is there as compared to the citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are costly as compared to amla. Amla can be used as such when you cook the vegetables. Add a number of amlas according to the size of the family. In case there are 4 members, you can add 4 amlas in the vegetables and cook them along the vegetable and consume it. That is sufficient for a day and to give you the resistance against the infection. But in case you can want to add variety and want to improve the taste of the food, and you want to have a nice appetite, then these can also be used. Amlas can be used in the form of pickle, chutney, murabba, or in the powder form after drying in the sun. Chutney can be prepared after blanching the amla and removing the stones. So how to do the blanching? I think ladies may be aware of it. Amla has to put in the boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes to remove the seeds. Then those can be crushed. In case not in boiling water, then micro blanching can be done with small quantity of water and putting in the micro for 2 3 minutes. Then the stones will come. Then the rest of the amla can be crushed. After crushing the amla, you can add that much sugar into the amla according to the quantity of amlas. Then do the cooking along with the salt and red pepper or black pepper, depending upon the taste, and do the cooking till the end point comes. End point will be noted by pouring the mass into the spoon downwards. In case it comes in the straight line, then it means your chutney is ready. In case you cannot do this test, you can take a little bit of mass and put in the cold water in the katori. In case that mass settles at the bottom, that means your chutney is ready, and stop cooking and put hot chutney in the jar to use in the next other time, or to use in the off season, or to use for further use. It must be taken into precautions that containers should be filled up to 3/4 of that, and 1/4 of the space should be there, and moreover preference should be given to the glass jar. That is my suggestion and advice to my friends. So second, which I said, pickle of amlas can be put in many forms. One, instant pickle. Put little bit of sarson oil according to your amla quantity. In kids it's half kg. Then put 1 tablespoon of oil into kadahi. Then put the amlas without any blanching or doing nothing, and do the little bit of cooking. They will get soft easily. They don't take time as they look. It's hard food, but it's not hard food. But it looks like hard, but it is not. Generally, cooking time is very less. Then, when it will soften after cooking, add salt and turmeric, and then again cook for 2 3 minutes. The amla will be ready and pour into the bottle. But these has to be consumed within a week. Their shelf life is less. In case you want make for a longer period of time, you want to keep them for a 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, then again like chutney I said, you do the blanching, remove the stone, then make the pickle. Those can be kept for a longer period of time as compared to the instant pickle. Then third, even for sun drying or to make it powder, which can be used for stuffings or like aloo prantha we make in the breakfast. In that, beside amchur, you can make use of amla powder. So again, you have to remove the stones like chutney, as I said after blanching. Then you have to put in the sun. Then after drying, the powder has to be made out of those dried amlas. So another product which can be made candy. Candy takes long time. Even the amla murabba can be made, which can be kept for a longer period of time. Amla murabba can be made, but the method is very tedious. In case someone will show the interest, I will surely give the recipe. Otherwise, it takes 10-15 days to prepare these products. While chutneys and pickles can easily made, which increase the taste, appetite, and add flavor to the food and more add variety to the food. So thank you, my friends.